Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. So today I bring to you how to make your perfect donuts. All right, so in my bowl I'm going to add in 5 cups of all-purpose flour. All right, I am making use of 5 cups of all-purpose flour all together. Okay, and I have my instant dry yeast, 1 sachet of it. Okay, and I'm going to add in my powdered sugar, 1 cup. All right, and at this point I'm going to add my salt, the pinch of salt, and nutmeg. So right now I'll mix all the dry ingredients together until they are well combined. All right, so thank you so much for clicking on my video. Thank you for stopping by. May God bless you. Please endeavor to watch to the end and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so at this point I had in 2 eggs and I'm making use of margarine. Okay, so that's 1/3 cup of margarine, and at this point I will mix everything together with my wooden spatula until everything is well combined. So now I add in 1 cup of milk. Okay, so we have to use our hand to knead properly, so I'm making use of my hand to knead it until everything is so perfect and well kneaded. Okay, so if you are yet to give this video a thumbs up, please kindly do. Okay, the dough is still hard, so I add in just a little milk. Okay, and I need until I get to the consistency that I want. This is it, so perfect. All right, so at this point in the same bowl I add in just little vegetable oil, and I'll go ahead and dip in the dough. All right, just to brush the surface of the dough, just like so. Okay, and at this point after that I'm going to cover it with my plastic wrap and also my kitchen towel and set it aside to double in size. Oh, this is so perfect. This is what I am looking for. It has doubled in size, punched to deflate. Okay. So I hope you are enjoying my video. If you are yet to give it a thumbs up, please do. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to this channel for more goodies. So on my work surface I sprinkle some flour. All right, place my dough in it and knead it for 5 to 10 minutes. All right, you need to knead properly to get a perfect dough. So at this point I'm just going to cut it. All right, you can see I continue to sprinkle flour on it, so I don't want it to get stick to my hand or to my work surface. Okay, so I cut the dough into like so. I cut the other one also. I divide it into 2 so I can have I can roll it perfectly. Okay, then with my roller I'm going to roll it. All right, until it is this flat. All right, not too flat. Okay, and I'm going to divide it into the size that I want, depending on how big you want your dough to be. Okay. So thank you guys. If you are still watching my video, thank you, God bless you. Thank you, God bless you. So at this point I roll each of the dough just like so until I get this ball shape or this circle shape. As you can see, I continue to sprinkle with flour. All right, see this is what I am looking for. I set it aside and continue the same process for the rest of the dough. Okay, so I am done rolling them to this shape. So with my roller I'll roll it flat, not too flat. All right, depending on how thick you want your dough to be. Then I just create a hole in the middle like so and place it on my tray. Okay, just like so. So I'm going to continue the same process for the donut. Okay, please and please guys, please and please, your thumbs up is very important for this video. Please kindly give this video a thumbs up if you are yet to. If you are new to my channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell. This channel has to do with variety. So I'm done with the donut. So in my frying pan I put in some oil, allow it to heat up. I place the small dough in it to see if the oil is hot enough. Okay, so I started to dip in my donuts. Okay, so as you can see, once your donut is rising in the oil, you can see some lines on the dough. It shows that your donut is getting cooked. All right, I don't know if that makes sense. All right, so I flip it over. Make sure your gas is on medium to low heat, medium, so you can have a perfect donut. Okay, so I flip it over until it has this beautiful golden color. Voila, our donut is ready. Now look at the oil. You can see that the oil is no longer bubbling, so that shows our donut is well cooked. Then I just remove it from the oil and I'll continue to fry the rest of the donut. And also I have the circle one. All right, I did not flatten it like so, as you can see, and I'll go ahead and fry it as well. If you are still watching my video to this point, wow, God bless you. Thank you. Thank you for supporting me. I so much appreciate. Kindly share this video. Let others also see this. So I flip it over like so. Once it is this golden color, it is ready. As you can see, the oil as well is not bubbling. So our donut is perfect and ready to be served. Serve it as breakfast with your family and friends. So as you can see, so fluffy inside. Oh my God, so delicious. It's not too sugary. All right, so thank you for watching. Thank you for your love and support. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you. Thank you for coming back to watch my video, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.